Imagine our home, the Milky Way galaxy. A magnificent spiral of billions of stars, planets, and cosmic dust, gracefully spinning through the vast emptiness of space. But our galaxy isn't just drifting aimlessly. It's being pulled. Something enormous, something unseen, is dragging the Milky Way, along with tens of thousands of other galaxies, towards a mysterious point in the cosmos. We are hurtling through space at a staggering speed of 600 kilometers per second, which is over 2 million kilometers per hour. This cosmic velocity isn't just from the expansion of the universe. It's a peculiar motion, a directed flow towards a specific, hidden destination. This destination is a gravitational anomaly of immense proportions, a cosmic mystery known as the Great Attractor. For decades, astronomers were puzzled by this motion. They observed that galaxies in our cosmic neighborhood, including the massive Andromeda galaxy and the entire Virgo supercluster, were not moving apart as the expansion of the universe would suggest. Instead, they were all streaming in the same direction. It was as if our entire section of the universe was caught in a powerful cosmic river, flowing towards an invisible source. This was a profound discovery, challenging our understanding of the universe's structure on the largest scales. The force required to pull on such a colossal collection of galaxies had to be immense, equivalent to the mass of tens of thousands of Milky Ways. So, what is this powerful entity? And why can't we see it? The answer lies in a region of our own galaxy known as the Zone of Avoidance. The plane of the Milky Way is a dense band of stars, gas, and interstellar dust that stretches across our night sky. This dense band effectively acts like a curtain, obscuring about 20% of the distant universe from our view. It's like trying to see a distant mountain range while standing in the middle of a thick forest. The trees block your line of sight. Coincidentally, the Great Attractor lies directly behind this galactic curtain. The dust and stars of our own galaxy absorb and scatter the light coming from that direction, making it incredibly difficult to observe with traditional optical telescopes. This cosmic blind spot has made studying the Great Attractor one of the most significant challenges in modern astronomy. For a long time, its existence was inferred only by its gravitational effects on us and our neighbors. We knew something massive was out there, but its true nature remained shrouded in mystery. It was a ghost in the cosmic machine, its presence felt but never seen. However, astronomers are persistent and ingenious. They realize that while visible light is blocked by the zone of avoidance, other forms of radiation can pass through it more easily. By using telescopes that can detect infrared light and X-rays, which have longer wavelengths than visible light, scientists were finally able to peer through the cosmic dust. These observations began to unveil the hidden landscape behind the Milky Way's disk. What they found was not a single, gargantuan object, but something far more complex and grand. The Great Attractor isn't a single point or a supermassive black hole as some might imagine. It is the gravitational focal point of a massive supercluster of galaxies, known as the Laniakea supercluster. Think of it like this: a small stream flows into a larger river, which in turn flows into an even bigger one. Our Milky Way is part of the local group of galaxies. This local group is on the outskirts of the much larger Virgo supercluster. And all of these structures, the Virgo supercluster and thousands of other galaxy clusters, are all flowing towards this central point. This entire gravitational basin, this vast web of galaxies connected by gravity, is what we now call the Laniakea supercluster. The word Laniakea is Hawaiian for immeasurable heaven, a fitting name for a structure that contains around 100,000 galaxies and spans over 520 million light-years. The Great Attractor lies at the heart of Laniakea. It is a region dense with galaxy clusters, with the Norma cluster being one of the most massive components right at its center. So, the pull we are experiencing is the combined gravitational tug of all the mass concentrated in that central region of our home supercluster. We are not being pulled into a single object, but rather flowing along the gravitational pathways of the cosmic web, towards the densest part of our celestial neighborhood. It's a bit like living in a suburb and feeling the subtle economic and cultural pull of the massive city center, even if you can't see the skyline directly from your house. Our galaxy is simply following the gravitational contours of space-time, which are warped by this immense concentration of mass. But the story doesn't end there. As our observational capabilities improved, astronomers discovered something even more astonishing. While Laniakea and its central Great Attractor are pulling us in one direction, an even larger and more distant structure is pulling on Laniakea itself. This newly discovered force is coming from the Shapley supercluster, a colossal concentration of galaxies located about 650 million light-years away. The Shapley supercluster is even more massive than the region of the Great Attractor, acting as an even stronger gravitational anchor in the cosmic ocean. So, the motion of our galaxy is the result of a cosmic tug-of-war. We are being pulled towards the Great Attractor, the heart of our own Laniakea supercluster. But the entire Laniakea structure, including us, is also being pulled towards the more distant and massive Shapley supercluster. This paints a breathtaking picture of the universe's structure. It's not a uniform, expanding space, but a complex web of filaments, clusters, and superclusters, all interconnected by the relentless force of gravity. Galaxies are not isolated islands but are part of a dynamic, flowing cosmic ecosystem. The Great Attractor is a testament to how much there is still to learn about our universe. It reminds us that what we can see is only a fraction of what is out there. Mysteries like the Zone of Avoidance and the unseen forces guiding our galaxy's journey push us to develop new technologies and new ways of thinking. They challenge our perception of our place in the cosmos. We live in a galaxy that is part of a supercluster, a continent of stars, which is itself moving toward an even larger continent. This journey across the universe is a silent, epic migration that has been happening for billions of years. And we are all passengers on this cosmic voyage, hurtling towards an unseen destination at unimaginable speeds. The Great Attractor is not a monster waiting to devour us, but a beautiful and fundamental part of the cosmic structure that defines our home. It's a reminder of the intricate and majestic dance of gravity that shapes the universe on the grandest of scales. If you found this journey into the cosmic currents fascinating, be sure to subscribe to Space Repo for more deep dives into the mysteries of our universe.